go.
5 minutes later.
I quit.
No, no, you can't quit.
I quit.
You can't quit. You can't quit.
I can't.
What it do? It's that boy Drew 22. Yeah. And let me talk to you guys real quick. Guys, today I told Destiny I want to do a hot spicy food challenge where we eat spicy food and see who can win. So guys, in today's video, Destiny thinks we're doing a hot spicy food challenge, but in reality, I'm just gonna prank her with this soda prank. Guys, for everyone who doesn't know, Destiny's not good with any spicy food, so I already know somewhere in the middle of the video she's gonna want to drink. That's why we're gonna get some soda for her. But in that soda, I'm gonna have some Mentos waiting for her. So guys, the plan is when she opens the soda, it should spray everywhere on her, and that's how we're gonna get her in this prank. So guys, you already know the Drew crew does not lose. We just don't lose, but I don't even say it more because you guys already know. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Why haven't you subscribed yet? And most importantly, make sure you turn that post notification because when you turn it on, I turn you on. Let's go! Alright guys, let's go get the sodas, let's go get the Mentos, and let's go pick up Destiny. Let's go. Alright guys, I got the Sprite, I got some Mentos. Let's put it in. Hopefully I could do this quick. Alright guys, we got that, we got that. This thing's about to explode. Let's get the next one. You know, let's throw 2 in there. Oh, I'm scared. Alright. Alright, here we go. Woo! Oh! Alright, a little bit came out, but I caught it just in time. Alright guys, we're gonna try to give this one to Destiny. And yeah guys, we got them both. Let's go pick up Destiny. Let's get into this prank. Let's go. Guys, we got the soda ready. Destiny told me to meet her at the Starbucks.
Hi.
What's going on?
Nothing.
Ah! Oh! Bro, why'd you spit on me like that?
Spit on you.
Why
you smell it? Like that's
all
weird.
wet and like,
Whatever. You love it.
Alright, you ready, Destiny?
Yes.
Alright, so... Alright guys, the battery fell out of the camera. So, what we're gonna do guys is we're gonna go to a store, get some spicy food, and start this challenge. Are you ready, Destiny?
No, I'm not ready. You know I don't like spicy stuff at all. Like I cannot handle it.
We're gonna see who's gonna win.
Obviously you are. Like
you can't lose already. We haven't even started.
But I can't even like handle spicy foods whatsoever. Like my nose starts dripping, my ass starts dripping, like my eyes start dripping. Literally everything starts dripping. Like it just, I can't eat it.
I want everyone to comment right now who you think is gonna win. Team Drew or Team Destiny?
You know what? I'm rooting for myself. Maybe I could handle it to like a certain extent. Maybe I could do it.
Alright guys, we're gonna go inside. Thank you.
Should we get the blue ones?
Get the blue ones.
Ew.
Alright guys, we got the spicy chips.
Guys, I don't even like Takis to be honest. I've never even had them before, so.
So we're gonna, any louder, please. Alright guys, let's get this challenge started.
I'm not ready at all. Like look at this. Blue heated Takis. Have you ever had Takis before?
I mean, yeah.
I haven't. Because it's spicy.
Never had the blue ones though, but I had the red ones. Listen, we gotta do this challenge.
Okay, we are.
Real quick though, before we start this challenge, let's get some better lighting though.
Okay.
So let's go find some better lighting, because this lighting's not happening right now.
Guys, I'm really, really nervous to eat these. Like, you don't even understand. I know it has like blue dye 57 in this shit. Like, contains soy. Made in facility that may also use milk, eggs, wheat, and peanuts. Are you allergic to peanuts?
I'm very allergic to peanuts.
No, you're not.
Oh, Thanos snap is peanuts.
This is good golden hour, honestly. I look gray though.
I can't see though. I already know I'm gonna win this challenge, guys. Alright, so let's begin this.
You take your Takis. And I'll take this one. So wait, do we have to eat the whole bag in a certain amount of time?
I mean, whoever just finishes it first.
That's definitely all you. You eat fast to begin with. You remember the episode of Patrick where he ate the food and he like inhaled it?
Yes.
The conch shell episode. He was like, no.
Alright guys, so real quick, let's tell them the rules to this challenge.
What are the rules?
So the rules, we talked about this. You forgot. Alright guys, so the rules for this challenge is, first one to finish wins. Second, if you take a sip out of your drink, oh, we forgot to get drinks.
Are you serious?
Wait, no, I have drinks from yesterday in here.
Oh, then just use that.
Like, we could use these.
Yeah, that's fine.
Right.
They're not hot though, right?
I mean, not really.
No, we're good. Okay, that's good.
Like regular temperature.
I just need something, because
Okay.
ain't no way. Ain't no way.
We're gonna see who's gonna win this challenge.
Is there like a number to call if you have like a
Reaction?
reaction?
Fortunately, no.
There is a little phone
Let's
sign.
get into this though.
Alright. Oh! The spice went in my nose!
Stop being like that, man. Come on.
Andrew, I'm scared. I told you!
Ready?
Diarrhea on a stick.
Ready? Set. Go.
I don't even like these. Ugh!
I just at my nose.
Andrew, there's no way. There's no way I'm eating this. My
No.
throat burns.
Come on.
There's no way.
Come on, Destiny, stop. You know what? We're gonna go chip for chip. That's a challenge. We're going chip for chip.
What do you mean?
We just both had one. Now we're going to the second one. Ready? Ready?
Fuck 'em.
Destiny, you gotta win this challenge.
Okay, I'm trying.
If you win this challenge, I'll give you $100. Come on. Ready, set, go.
I don't like these at all.
Damn. That is hitting. I accidentally inhaled a spice.
Look at my eyes. I don't think this is good for you.
Everyone in the comments seemed like Takis aren't spicy.
I can't take it. I don't know how you guys eat this, and I feel like I'm gonna puke.
Come on, Destiny, another one.
I feel like I'm gonna puke. I'm eating blue shit. I'm
Dude,
sorry.
come on, ready? Let's go.
I think the color's throwing me
Ready,
off.
set, go.
Hold on.
It's going up my nose. Why
I don't think I can do this.
Listen, keep eating it.
I don't like him.
No, we're doing a rush round now.
I don't like him.
2 at a time. Grab 2. Grab 2. Come on, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Damn! You better eat that. Don't do none of that. Come on, Destiny.
And I'm gonna puke. My eyes are watering. My ass is dripping.
Eat it. Come
I
on.
can't.
Destiny, it's a challenge. Come on.
I don't even like how they taste though. That's the thing.
I'm getting kind of used to the spiciness now.
Can't do it.
Come on, Destiny, eat those 2. Come on. Are you being serious
I'm
right
being
now?
so serious right now. It's not about the spice, it's the taste. Like I'm sweating. I smell like onion.
And Destiny, come on, eat those. You know what? Grab 3 this time.
I can't. I can't. I
Grab
can't.
3. Grab 3.
What is this?
Destiny, grab 3.
This looks like a little stingray.
Grab 3. Grab 3.
It's getting hot in here.
Grab 3.
Ready?
Yeah, ready, set, go.
I can't do this. I can't do it. I can't do it, Andrew. I can't do it.
Lick your fingers now. Ready? 3. Guys, we're advancing to the next round since we're both passing.
It's in my eye! Oh my god! I stuck Andrew, it's in my eye!
Guys, we're advancing to the next round since we're both passing.
It's in my eye! Andrew,
What do you want me to do?
please help me! I put it in my f***ing eye!
Here.
Oh my
thing. Open it.
It's in my eye, Andrew.
Are you serious? Destiny, here. There's no.
It's in my eye. I can't open it. Oh my god. Is it my eye blue? I mean my eye blue?
No.
Oh my god. Okay. Ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Stop touching your eyes. That was gonna be my next challenge, guys. Touch your eye.
No, please. I just touched my eye with this finger on accident.
All right, guys. Next segment, we gotta lick our fingers.
All right.
Ready? Set. Go.
I can't take it. I can't take it, Andrew. I can't. I quit.
No, you can't quit.
I quit.
You can't quit. You can't quit.
I can't. Andrew, what the Are you kidding me? Did you do something to my Sprite?
I don't know why that happened.
Are you serious right now?
I didn't do anything. Maybe you shook it up too much.
Did you do something to my Sprite?
No, I didn't do anything.
Give me yours then.
I swear I didn't do anything.
Andrew.
You shook the bottle.
I didn't even touch the bottle.
You were shaking like this the whole time.
No, I was not.
You got my whole car wet.
If you didn't do anything to mine, give me yours.
Okay.
You know what, Andrew? You think this is funny?
I swore I did not touch a Sprite.
Andrew, you
My
didn't
car
touch the
is all
Sprite.
wet right now.
But you literally... Andrew, this is not a joke. There's Sprite in my coochie crack right now and it stings. I'm not even lying right now.
Destiny, bro.
Why would you do that?
Why are you blaming me? I didn't do anything.
Andrew! You put Mentos in here? There's no way, Andrew. Why would you do that?
I had to do it. I had to do it.
You put 2 in this one? Are you kidding me? Are you serious right now? You put 2 in this.
Okay, I'm sorry. I had to do it.
Andrew, I'm literally soaked.
I'm sorry. I had to do it. We weren't doing the spicy challenge today.
So you made me eat nasty Takis.
That
I can't even talk.
Destiny, why'd you wet my entire car?
That was on you. You talk about why'd you wet my entire
Yeah, but you let it all go out.
Andrew, you literally put... Oh! I just poked my eye.
Bro, you're gonna have like no eyes.
Andrew, you literally put...
Alright, I had to. I'm sorry.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Destiny.
It's starting to smell in here. Don't do that.
God. Bro, it got everywhere.
My pasties are done.
It got everywhere.
My pasties are done.
Alright, I guess this wasn't some...
They're done. They're wet.
Bro, what is
I can't even wear these anymore. These are my pasties.
I just pulled out your tits.
I can't even wear these anymore. They have Sprite all over them.
Alright. Guess this wasn't really a prank, because my whole car's all wet.
Yeah, and guess who's...
Click, click, click. Oh my gosh, alright.
Guess who's picking that up? You're picking up everything.
Oh man.
Look at my nipples getting hard.
Alright guys. This is the end of the video.
I'm literally, like, show them, like...
My car is just like... I guess this prank's on me because now my entire car is wet.
Yes, you just reverse pranked yourself. Honestly, you did.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Jesse, say it with us.
No, where's my phone?
The Drew crew does not lose!